It's West Coast Swing Thursday night. Next Nightclub, it is myself, and you know who, Talented Stephanie. We are going to show you something that we taught for our weekly class. Every Thursday, Next Nightclub. This is something I've often brought back every year. I love teaching it, basically because of the footwork. How we first did as a basic to get into something a little easier. After the sugar punch, we went into right-to-right handshake hold with your partner. Leaders, however, wish you want to get into that, you can. For the class's sake, we just moved into it at the end of the 5 and 6. 2 walks for her forward. Guys, move off to her left. 1, 2. Turn your right hand, guys, counterclockwise. 3 and 4 on her hip, and then put it back for 5 and 6. So going front to back, so you can just see that as a pull it forward. 1, 2. Turn my wrist, and then I switch it back to back where she was. Okay, you can also do it where you switch hands back and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I put back in the left to right hand hold. That was the basic part, because what it leads up to is the Charleston step. The actual part that's really cool. But it takes some time to get the connection with your partner. So up to 4, it's the same. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to pick up her left hand with my left, and the right hand still connected behind her back. So going front to back towards the camera. Guys, you're going to pick it up. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm looking at her. I'm off to her left side on the rail. I want to make sure everyone focuses on what she's doing. So for her footwork, for the next part, we're just going to do it. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. And we get out of it. You can do more if you want. Counting with the music, you can add less. But that connection with the Charleston step is what's really cool. Good follows make it easier. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So weight's on her right foot. I'm on my left foot. So you're going to take your left hand, pull her forward, 5 and step it back on her left. Back on her right, push her forward on her. Forward, come back. Back, come forward. Forward, come back. Back, come forward. So guys, using your left arm to push her forward, push her back. You want to continue this back and forth, almost like palm. So let's go this way. So when I go 1, 2, 3, and 4, her left foot starts. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Pull her forward, bring her back. Or back, bring her forward. So you can do this as many times as you want. She's going to already feel this connection. So her left arm needs to be connected. And we're going to do it front to back so you can see how I'm leading the back part of her right arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward, back, forward, back. So the right hand does control this movement as well. So how you get out of it, and simply how we ended it, is we went 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. And when she's on her right foot, I'm on my left foot, and then we triple step the ending. While she's doing these forwards and backs, guys, you're rocking, just allowing her to do the Charleston, but you're controlling her momentum. So the whole thing, forward and back, Charleston step. Sugar push, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step forward, step back, step forward, step back. You turn your wrist and center down low. Front, back, and we're done. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step forward, bring her back, bring her forward, bring her back, and you switch hands on the end. It's a really cool move. Thank you, my dear. Thank you, guys. Hope you like it. Click subscribe for a free video. We'll have something for you next time. Until then, have a great week. Keep dancing.